So we're going to have a look at question 7 from exercise 2.2, and I've attempted to sketch the diagram, just one part of it, and the cutout part I've represented again on the right hand side in the sketch there. So the first thing that I'm going to do is work out the area of the whole circle before parts of it are cut away. And that, of course, is pi multiplied by the radius of the whole circle. Now, the diameter of the brooch is 4.4 centimetres, so the radius of the brooch is 2.2 centimetres, and I've marked that on the right-hand side there. So that's pi times 2.2 squared. I'll leave that like that for the moment. And the area that I'm going to calculate next is the area of one of these cutout sections. Now, these cutout sections I've highlighted in red on my diagram and shaded in red. So if you can see, this is one of the cutout sections, and I've drawn it again here as part of a larger sector. So the area of one of these cutout sections is the area of sector OAB, take away the area of the small sector OPQ. So imagine here, if I put the labels on A, B, P and Q, they match up the two diagrams so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So the area of one cutout section is area of sector OAB, the big sector, take away the area of the small sector, which is sector OPQ. Now remember the formula for the area of a sector, it's a half radius squared multiplied by the angle theta, half r squared theta. So OAB has a radius of 1.8, we're given that information in the question. It says each part of the cutout sections are part of a sector with a radius of 1.8. So that's a half multiplied by 1.8 squared multiplied by pi by 4. We want to take away from that the area of the small sector OPQ, which is a half multiplied by, now what we know about the small sector is it's part of the central circle, and we're told that the centre of the brooch has a diameter of 1 centimetre. So that's a half multiplied by 0.5 squared multiplied by the same angle of pi by 4. And we can use this to calculate the area of one cutout section. Now this comes to 299 over 800 pi. So the area of silver is the area of the whole circle, pi multiplied by 2.2 squared, take away 4 of these cut out sections. So that's 4 multiplied by 299 over 800 pi. So that comes to 669 over 200 pi. But the question actually asks us about the volume of silver in the brooch, and we know the brooch is 1 millimetre thick, so the volume is equal to the area of the cross section multiplied by the length or the depth of the brooch, which is 1 millimetre. But of course we need to convert that into centimetres, so that is 0.1 centimetres for the depth. Multiplying these two together gives us a final answer of 1.05086 centimetres cubed, which is 1.05 centimetres cubed to 3 significant figures.